Micrometer is an instrument used for making precise linear measurements of dimensions, such as diameter, thickness, and lengths of solid object. The frame is a C-shaped structure that holds the anvil and the barrel. Anvil is the shiny part that the spindle moves toward and against which the sample rests. Barrel is a stationary, cylindrical component that features a linear scale. Locknut is a component that can be tightened to secure the spindle in a stationary position. Spindle is a shiny, cylindrical component. Thimble, a rotating part with a circular scale that indicates the fine measurement. Ratchet stop is the mechanism located at the end of the handle that restricts applied pressure by slipping at a predetermined torque. A micrometer has two scales. The barrel scale is the main scale that provides coarse measurements. It is typically marked in millimeters. The thimble scale is a circular scale that provides precise measurements. It is divided into 50 divisions. How to read the measurement. Step 1. Read the sleeve scale. Look at the main scale on the sleeve, which gives measurements in millimeters. Count the number of visible millimeter marks from zero or starting point to the point where the thimble edge is aligned. Each line on the sleeve represents 1 millimeter. Step 2. Read the thimble scale. Check where the circular scale mark on the thimble aligns with the horizontal line of the sleeve. Each division on the thimble represents 0.01 millimeter. Step 3. Combine the readings. Add the sleeve reading and the thimble reading to get the final measurement.